G'day sew and sews, welcome to our sewing room. My name is Kathy, Lucy Perry's over there somewhere, and we are deep into the silly season. The countdown to Christmas is on. So in today's video, I thought that I'd give you some ideas for some last minute quick Christmas ideas that you can make for family and friends. Now the things that I show you today will be, I'll show you some for young, old, male, female, so you should be covered. And what I'll do is combine all the tutorial videos for these items into a playlist, and I'll pop it up on the screen at the end of this video. And all of the tutorials that will be in there and any pattern pieces that you might need that will be in a link in the description box for them will all be free. So I got you covered. So the first one I'm going to show you, I think, is the most versatile because you can make these for boys, girls, young and old, and they're super easy to make. They're beginner level sewing. So they are phone stands, but you can make them a little bit bigger to hold a Kindle or a little bit bigger again to make an iPad. They're pretty easy to make. You can just use a bit of scrap fabric. You don't need a whole lot. They've got a little bit of polyfill in them and a little bit of rice, and they go together super quick and super easy. I think these ones would be great just to have a couple on hand, just for those sort of unexpected extra guests that might turn up. But yeah, that's number one. Let's have a look at another one. Next up, we have these cute little hairbands, which I think would make great stocking stuffers. I'm not going to model it for obvious reasons. So I've got my little fake plastic head here, but these are really easy to make and they're super quick to put together as well. They're stretch material, so you will need a machine with zigzag stitch. But yeah, super easy to make. So another really good beginner one. Next up, we have the good old bowl cozy. These are super quick to whip up and they are just really convenient to use if you want to have your dinner on your lap or something like that. And again, just a really good sort of add-on gift or a stocking stuffer. Now we have another really versatile one, the good old pouch. So you can make them a little bit bigger, so you can make them as a pencil case, you can make them as a little makeup case to pop into your handbag, or you can make them an actual little purse or handbag themselves. They would also be great for blokes as like a travel case for toiletries if you made them a little bit bigger. Now, to figure out how to actually make them bigger, I actually have a video on my channel as well to do the math to make them in any size that you like. So any sort of width and any height. So that's how versatile these ones are. They do have that little bit of hardware. We are moving up into the zipper zone, but it's super easy, and I show you in the video how to actually make them and how to change the sizing. So I've got a tutorial up for that one so that you can do the split panel, and then I have a really early, don't judge me, but one of my earliest videos on this one, which shows just, basically how to put it together. But whether you watch this one or that one, it explains how to do it. Okay, next. Another really versatile one here, because this is just as good for the blokes as it is for the women. And it's a either travel or gym shoe bag case. So rather than putting your dirty shoes in with the rest of your clothes, you pop them in this and it expands. And in the tutorial, I'll explain how to make them a little bit bigger. So if you're making it for someone with 12 size feet compared to someone with size 8 feet. But yeah, another really versatile one. Now for this next one, I wish I had a full size one to show you, but as soon as I make them, my friends pinch them, so I don't have any at the moment. But they are really cute and great, again, for travel and cosmetics. Now it's another little sort of boxy bag type thing, but when you open it up, they open up into a full size tray. So really cute. And I made myself this one to put my sewing clips in, which is the only reason why it hasn't disappeared out the door, because it's always got clips full of clips. So this is another one where I've also got another video up on my channel on how to adjust the size. So you can make it in any size that you want. But the actual tutorial to put it together, I give you the sizing and it comes out about that big, I guess. So a really good one for travel. So again, good for blokes and the ladies. All right, let's have a look at a couple more. The good old boxy bag. These are great for cosmetics and again for travel, so great for men and women. So super easy. The way that I teach it doesn't have any bias tape on the inside, no raw edges. So I really do love these, and I've made a heap for friends and they disappear as quick as I can make them. And again, this is another one where I have another video on my channel explaining how to do the math to make them in any size. So yeah, they take a little bit longer. They're a little bit trickier. They're not, I think they're still sort of beginner level, but they do take a little bit more time, but it really does show. It's a beautiful handmade gift to give to someone. Now this next one is great for little girls. I just think it's so cute and a great size. And I actually didn't make this one. I taught Adrian how to make this one and he did it, and we filmed it and we put it up. So it's on my channel if you want to have a look, but I can't find the one anywhere that I made. He put his handles on a little bit different because he thought it was cute to open up that way. I put my handles on that way, but up to you. So it is that easy to make that he has never touched the sewing machine in his life except to move them around for me. And he was able to do it with just a little bit of instruction. So they are that easy. And yeah, just a couple of pieces of fabric and easy to do on a domestic machine. And yeah, super cute, and any little girl is just going to love that. So there's some last minute gift ideas for you that you can make nice and quick. And on my channel, I also have a tutorial to make your own gift bags. So that might be a really nice complement to your gift as well. Now, I just wanted to say quickly that Christmas can be a wonderful time of year, but I also understand that it can be a really sucky and hard time of year for a lot of people. I grew up in foster care, and when I was 16, I ran away from foster care and started living on my own and looking after myself. So I had a lot of Christmases as a young person, and even as an older person, that really sucked. So I know that it can be a really hard time of year. So for those of you that might not be spending Christmas with loved ones or friends for any particular reason this year, or that might be doing it a little bit hard because of other reasons, then I encourage you, and I really hope that you can find joy in something else. The world is a beautiful place. We don't have to have gifts and all that type of thing. Go out in nature, enjoy the moment, do something for yourself, cook yourself a nice meal. If you haven't got anyone to talk to, there's lots of services. Please call someone, hop online, find a page that you like that you can interact with people, and just find joy where you can find it. Okay, it's not always in material things. Much, much love to you all, and we will see you soon. Okay, bye.
Bugger.